Welcome to ConnectSphere. So you decided to turn your data into pure gold. But is there a way to do that? Is there a procedure? And is there a benchmark, a meaningful end state, something that data should look like when the process is effective? And what kind of process might that be that will eventually yield to perfect data? We propose a process for that. This process is divided into 6 key steps: accumulate, coalesce, harmonize, cleanse, organize, orthogonalize. The first step is accumulate. You must take your data, collect it, and put it all together. The first thing is to know where it is. Can you access it? If then, you might find that the data doesn't easily fit together. But you already have the solution. Your colleagues, they are the specialists who know exactly how the data is meant to be and how it all fits together. They work with it every day and know precisely why they need it. So empower them to design the processes and tables themselves. By doing this, you are including the invaluable knowledge of your departments and their specialists, a social factor previously excluded, often to no avail. This is where ConnectSphere comes in, providing easy-to-use no-code tools. From these data sources, you can now build a massive unified table. This is built by combining existing data with new information from specialists in your company's departments. What you get is a way to put all the keys, fields, and values together, creating one huge table that contains everything you need. This is likely what people mean when they talk about a data lake. But this process is about careful harmonization. It's not about just throwing any data together and making a mess, but rather creating a well-organized resource. It's about finding the underlying connections to make all your data meaningful. And now you can start the cleansing process. You can examine each individual field to find and fix issues like typos, misspellings, and redundancy. Each field contains a set of values. To correct issues like typos in these value sets, you have 3 options. You can manually check the data and create translation tables, or you can use an existing catalog to standardize your terms, or you can use AI. Now that you've established the cleansing process, you can begin to organize your data. This involves grouping fields into meaningful units. You define tables and assign common meanings for each field so that your data is well structured. And from there, you are now capable of doing the incredible. This final step, orthogonalize, gives you a complete, redundancy-free database with referential integrity, a so-called third normal form database. The great thing about this process is that it is iterative. You don't need to get it right on the first try. You can repeat the process as many times as you need to achieve the perfect enterprise database.